welcome back to our channel. We're gonna be doing our nails, all that stuff. Comments below.
Hey y'all, I am back today with a polygel video. I know it's been a minute, but I had to come back to my first love, which is definitely polygel. So I purchased this kit from Amazon Prime, and I definitely will put everything in the description box. This kit was only $29, so I was like, okay, look, in comparison to everything else, let me go ahead and try it. It came with dual forms, nail forms, a file, base gel, top coat gel, slip solution, the little brush tool, and it also had 7 different polygels. So all that for $29, and I think it had a 5% off coupon, so I definitely will put this below. So for this set, I decided to use the dual forms that came with the kit because I am right-handed and I wanted to make it a little easier for myself. And y'all just know how that goes when you're working with your non-dominant hand. But I used the slip solution that came in the kit, and surprisingly, it worked well. I never like the slip solutions that come in kits, but I actually like this one. Y'all can see how easy it was for me to work with this. The only con I will say about the slip solution is it seemed like, I don't know, I'm clumsy. I could have been spilling it, I'm not sure, but it just seemed like it didn't last as long as alcohol, I guess I could say. So probably when I got to like the 4th nail, I went ahead and switched to alcohol. So yeah, but I will honestly say, guys, I really enjoyed this polygel. It's really soft, really easy to work with. The only gel I did not like, which I was so upset because what made me purchase this kit is when I saw the video on Slay by J channel, I saw how clear their clear was. It's like, it's the most perfect clear ever, so I was so excited about it. But for some reason, that clear was extremely sticky, extremely runny, and it took 2 full minutes to cure, and even then it was still kind of soft feeling. So I don't know if I got a bad batch or not. I'm not sure, but it's a no for me with the clear. But all the other colors, definitely. I definitely like them. So I'm going to be honest with you guys. After I did this nail and actually applied it, I ended up not liking it. So later on, off camera, I filed the nail down and then I just applied the lilac color to my nails with some more glitter and changed it up. So at the end, you'll see how I changed them up a little bit, but I didn't redo the entire nail. I just filed it down and then applied the polygel on the top and then cured it again. So after I took the forms off, you will see me come in, and I just felt like this one needed a little bit more polygel. Y'all know how those dual forms are, sometimes the sides don't get right. So I just went ahead and applied some to the top, patted it down, and then I re-cured this nail. So after I cured my nails again, I went ahead and used some rubbing alcohol and got the sticky layer off. And then I file shaped and buffed off camera. And then I came in with the top coat that comes in the kit. It's cool. It's not super shiny, but I mean it's did the job. So I applied the top coat and I cured that. And then I applied my Parker J's Magic Mane Oil to my cuticles, and that's it. But let me know what you guys think of these nails. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Mila B, out.